I'm tired of this fucking beat. Hey, yo, how many y'all niggas gotta do this beat? I need to kill this fucking Panda, man.
Yeah, I'm tired of this fucking Panda song. I don't stand alone. I just wanna wrap my fucking hands across. Stab the head and break the fucking Panda's jaw. Burn him up and turn the fucking candles on. Choke and beat him, put a couple of hammers on him. Dab on a nigga while I'm standing on him. Kick him, punch him, throw him, make him slam the wall. Time to a cannon, make him cannonball to the ocean, make him suffer too. Nigga, this is fucking animal abuse. Animal cruelty on the fucking news. I'ma kill the Panda till he bloody too. I make him black and blue for the black and white. I don't fuck with niggas like a pack of dice. Eat the Panda, bitch, I got an appetite. I'm out this world, I swear that I'm a satellite. How many rappers gotta try to pay me? Tired of hearing niggas on the same beat. Time to kill the Panda in my old pajamas. Fly to Atlanta in the same week. What's a panda to a fucking polar bear? A gorilla to a monkey, tiger to a puppy, lion to a kitten, wolf to a pigeon, shark to a fish, a snake to an infant, alligator in a water wet, Jordan Lucas to a dinosaur and pet. They ain't know that I'm Tyrannosaurus Rex.